Hi.
Hi, this is Hong Kong show in 2026.
All right.
Yes.
How much power it goes through?
This is 100 power, 100 watt.
Nice. So they both will charge 50 watts each? No.
It can divide.
Nice. And it's long, 2 meters.
Yes. This
Longer.
is 1.3 meters. And this is 15 centimeter. And this one, it can,
You can even
we can
switch.
change. We can
Wow.
change cable.
It's just another Type-C here.
Yeah. Because if there are two shorts, two different charging together.
Do you have different color silicon? Or only yellow?
No, we have.
Only yellow now.
You have pink also.
Yeah, but in the production now we have only yellow.
All right. It's very special to make this kind of cable.
Yes, this is new for now.
Nice. And what is this one?
This one
Is
is
it for climbing? I can
yes.
climb the mountain with this?
Yes, this is multifunction.
So, so what do you do with the bottle? No, it doesn't fit.
No, here.
Oh, you put around the bottle.
Hold.
And
Interesting.
hold on the
You
back.
I need to follow. It's moving. Very cool.
And it
Another
has
little guy. I call them little guys.
hex key, serrated edge, and carabiner, church key.
Oh, I can open the bottles with this.
Yes, church key.
SD reader.
Yes, reader connector with your phone. You can read it on the phone, so it's convenient. And another one, it can charge your phone also.
Is it
with
high
this
power?
one. Yes, USB4.
Wow, 40 gigabits.
Yeah.